What's going on, guys? This is Mac for B4YB. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, if you notice, my video looks a little bit different. I'm currently shooting in 4K with my brand new camera. And nope, I'm not shooting with my Canon M50. As you can see, I'm going to be replacing the M50 with my brand new camera. I'm just kidding. This is what I'm replacing. My OnePlus 6T, my trusty OnePlus 6T. I love it so much, but I'm actually switching over to the iPhone 11. And I'm currently shooting this video right now with the iPhone 11, but I'm gonna pull it off the tripod and pull my Canon M50 back so we can start talking about this iPhone a little bit better. Alright, so I finally made the switch back to iOS with iPhone 11 right here. And this was my old phone, the OnePlus 6T. Although I'm really gonna miss this phone, and like I said in my previous videos, this was probably the best Android phone I've used. And I still feel like it is one of the best Android phones that you can get for the money. But I'm gonna have to give this up and retire this phone because it lacks three main things that I need. What are these three main things that I'm looking for? Well, the first thing is obvious. It's iMessage. I know you hear this all the time. If you live in North America, being the green bubble is a real thing. And I'm ready to be a blue bubble. iMessage at this point is kind of like a must-have. If your whole family and all your friends are using it, anytime somebody sends me a meme, a video, a message, it's a better experience. MMS is terrible, and I'm tired of just being that one guy that's the green bubble in the whole group chat. It just really sucks. Google needs a better implementation, a better messaging system, and they still haven't given Apple an answer. So yeah, iMessage. The second big thing, AirDrop. Being able to drop, that was scary. Being able to drop files from phone to phone, same proximity, is just so huge. Especially for me, because I take a lot of photos. Anytime there's a family gathering, somebody needs me to send the pictures or whatever, I'm gonna be able to do that now because of AirDrop. The third thing is the cameras. The cameras on the OnePlus 6T are not bad, but they're not as consistent as I'd like them to be. Whereas the iPhone 11, lots of great new features. You get that second camera now, that ultra wide perspective, and I love that. And being able to get that with the front and the back is huge, and the front facing camera has also been upgraded. So yeah, for the money, I think this is the most compelling iPhone Apple has ever made. I really think they did really good with this one. The XR was already great for the value. This is just a much more compelling device with the new upgrades and that price cut. So it really makes no sense for me to go for the Pro device when they'll both start out at 64 gigabytes. And because of that price cut, I got this 128 gig version for $750 plus all those new upgrades with that new camera, the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM. It's just a flagship device. It's no budget iPhone. So when I look at this, I don't see a budget iPhone anymore. The biggest thing that you're lacking is that telephoto lens and that display. Honestly, the first impressions I can give you from this screen, I can't even tell that it's a 720p display. If you told me that this was 720p, I'd not really be able to tell. But like I said, I have to use this more and test it out, watching videos and all that, obviously. One thing I need to adjust to, though, is the screen size. Coming from my OnePlus 6T, it had a much bigger screen, and I was able to see much more on the screen, which is really nice. And it's an OLED display, so those blacks are just inky black, and I'm just gonna have to make adjustments with this phone. But right now, I can just, like, from seeing the colors, I really like the way Apple calibrates their screens for their phones. I think they look very good and very natural, and I think this iPhone 11 is just no exception. So yeah, I'm gonna be testing this out more. Let me know what you guys want to see with me testing this device out, and anything particular, leave a comment in this section. Leave comments down below. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. If you guys have any questions about this phone, what do you guys want me to test out? Obviously, I don't want to do a drop test because this is my personal device and I don't make money doing these videos. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. And I'm gonna be definitely testing out this camera over here. Anyways, this has been Mac for B4YB. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you're notified when I do a follow-up video on this phone. So yeah, I've officially switched to the dark side. Or is Android the dark side? I don't know. Yeah. So long, Android.